Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back and finally bring you another DIY video. Happy 2022. It's been a minute since I posted anything on here. A lot happened in the past year, but I'm glad to be back. I will be remodeling a laundry room, and it is my first real remodel for someone else, which makes me super excited because one of my friends bought a house and hired me to do it, and I'm telling you, this is exactly what I wanted to do. And thank you all for making this happen. Thank you for being a part of this family. And I also would like to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring this video and for kindly gifting us all the supplies, including the washer and the dryer, to make this remodel happen. I also want to ask you all to please follow me on social media, Zurich on both of them. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and let's roll with this DIY room remodel. The laundry room that I am working on is this little nook right off the kitchen in my friend's condo. One of the main things that my friend asked me to do to change is the color on the walls and to get rid of the wire shelving. As you can see before, the room was super plain and didn't have any appliances, which is why it was so special when the Home Depot decided to gift us the washer and the dryer. The objectives for the space included creating a functional laundry room, giving it a more bold and modern aesthetic, and increasing storage. I started by heading over to the Home Depot to pick up all the supplies, and my friend chose the color Valley of Glaciers by Behr. I prepped the room for painting by taping all the walls, took down the wire shelving, and for the paint, I chose a glossy finish because it's a small space and I wanted it to reflect the light. Okay friends, I would like to take this time to thank my friends over at the Home Depot for kindly sponsoring this video and for making this entire remodel happen. Thank you for donating the washer, dryer, and all the supplies needed to transform the entire space. If you are a doer or a DIYer like I am, don't forget the Home Depot is how us doers can get so much more done. And check out their website and stores for incredible daily deals. And again, thanks to Home Depot for the incredible opportunity for sponsoring this video. You guys rock, and how about we just resume this DIY remodel, right? Mwah. Thanks, Home Depot. I was super proud of these shelves because I've never built floating shelves before, and these were solid. I was a little nervous at first because I wanted to make sure they were very well anchored to the wall, which is why I made sure that I found the studs, and I also used extra supporting anchors for extra weight. I built a total of 3 shelves and 1 cover for the cabinet. Then I stained them using Verthane's Early American stain, and they turned out incredible. Never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want me sometimes, so I'ma run you out many girls. We were so thankful to THD for sending someone to install the appliances. The beauty about this washer-dryer set is that you can install your washer and dryer stacked or side by side to fit any space. I found this metal cabinet that was originally white, however I decided to paint it black, and when I primed it, I accidentally filmed it in portrait mode. Oops! But let's take one more look at the before. I asked my friend to please record himself when he saw the space because I wasn't there due to social distancing restrictions.
Hey, I'm back from my weekend getaway, and Yaro's been working on my place all weekend, so I'm about to see it for the first time. All right, here it is. Oh my gosh. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow.
Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like buttons below, and also leave me a comment down there. Let me know what you thought of the entire room transformation. And one more time, I would like to thank my friends over at the Home Depot for making the entire room remodel happen. You guys rock. Check out the Home Depot's website for incredible daily deals, and I'll leave you with my favorite quote. The journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. I love you all. I'll see you all on the next one, and have a fantastic 2022. Mwah! Bye guys.